You're not going to end GMO production. You shouldn't end organic and conventional production. What we need is a country in which folks who want to do a particular type of farming have the capacity and freedom to do that. So we created the AC21 program. AC21 identified a number of things that we need to do a better job of. We need to have a better understanding of gene flow. We need to know precisely how difficult and potential risk contamination is. We are doing that study. Interesting results from that study.
Can you tell us some?
Well, it's basically, it's not as, it's limited in terms of alfalfa, but it's not as dramatic in terms of access to genes as you might think. That's one thing. We are looking at ways in which we can create better stewardship on the part of GMO producers, basically understanding that certain times of planting, certain times, certain buffers that can be created, certain distances, trying to work with companies to create a better understanding of what those stewardship responsibilities are.
And that was the huge issue with organic farmers. We need these buffers and protections in place. So.
Right. Some kind of mechanism. I think organic producers would like some kind of reimbursement and compensation system, but at the very least, a crop insurance program that basically provides them the same kind of risk management tool that we have with nature. That's in the process of being worked on. The whole farm policy that Dan alluded to is an example of what could potentially be available in that. So there's a great deal of activity taking place in trying to bring people together. We have far too much division in this country, from my perspective. I'm looking for the common good, I'm looking for the common solution, I'm looking for the common sense solution to this, and I frankly, if it doesn't happen, it's going to tear agriculture apart. We're going to lose our competitive advantage. We're going to lose that sense of community in the countryside that I think is really important.